Hey folks, Kenny Brown here, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. I want to take a few moments and show you this brand new Grady-White 2023 235 Freedom. It's in this really pretty coastal fall color, as they call it. Look at the beautiful lines of this classic Grady-White design. You'll notice that it is equipped with the new Yamaha 300 horsepower 4-stroke motor. And while we're back here, I wanted to point out, look at the extended swim platforms on both sides, folks. On this side, you've got your ladder, 4-rung. Really nice getting on and off the boat. But let's go up aboard and let's look at some other fun things. Okay, everyone, here we are aboard the new 2023 Grady-White 235 Freedom. I just went over this a little while ago on another boat, but I wanted to take a moment and show you. Look at this extended swim platform that I'm standing on. When you are at the island or you're out fishing, when this motor's down, you got plenty of room to walk across. You got storage back here for a rear anchor if you need one. And this boat does have the option for those that like to tube and ski. Got your ski pile on, and when you're fishing, you just push that down flush right out of the way. Walk here through the transom door. Of course, you've got your live well. You've got your big fish box here. I like to point this out and note that in a Grady-White, when you go down below any of your hatches, your lids, everything's finished. Why is that important? Everything's insulated, meaning it will keep ice for a couple of days. You got beautiful seating here to sit when you're just relaxing, going out, coming back in. Now this particular seat is an electromechanically designed seat that'll actually extend with a button all the way out here, okay? Plenty of room here in the cockpit area. Notice the oversized hardtop. I love this about these Freedoms. Massive oversized hardtop, plenty of shade. Stick all your life vests and everything up here. You come up here to the helm. Beautiful helm chair. This is an upgrade. Plenty of room to put all of your electronics here. All your switches are right here at your fingertips. Your Fusion stereo. You see your port side companion seat can fit 2 people. And then if you'll look here, look at this. This is your head. That is a really functional porcelain head. I like the teak accents, really upgrades it, really nice. These are your cushions, folks, that go up front in your bow. And they call this the Freedom because it's just that. It gives you the freedom to do everything you want on the water, whether you want to go 50, 60 miles offshore fishing, you want to go in the bay, or you want that freedom just to have a boat to have all your family and friends on to go to the island with. Dual console, you can close all this off and get out of the elements, out of the weather if you need to. And then of course, up here in the bow, plenty of seating, can stretch out. The cushions you saw on the head all fill this area in. You've got your compartments here. Again, what do we talk about? Insulated. Use these for all your drinks, refreshments, food, or fish on those really good fishing days. But folks, this is an incredible boat. It would be my pleasure to show you this in person. Again, my name is Kenny Brown. You can reach me at MarineMax here in Panama City Beach. You can call me directly at 850-596-8108. And remember, it's all about making memories on the water.